Hello. In this video, I'll show you how PortfolioPilot continuously optimizes your taxes through tax impact estimates, tax loss harvesting opportunities, and potential replacement investments. Let's start on the tax optimization view. Here you can see estimated investment tax calculations, including year-to-date estimated tax burden, tax harvesting savings, short-term and long-term capital gains tax. On the right, PortfolioPilot also shows the marginal short-term and long-term rate and tax residency used in the calculations. Click View to open the marginal tax rate estimation. This panel shows the income, filing status, country, and estimated marginal tax rates being used. Review the assumptions, make any changes if needed, then click Update Investor Preferences to save them. Next, click Edit Tax Residency. Edit to open the Preferences page. Here you can update information like your country of residence, state, work sector, household income, tax filing status, and base currency. Along with dozens of other preferences throughout PortfolioPilot, these settings help personalize your recommendations. They're also used to produce more accurate tax estimates and identify tax optimization opportunities that are tailored to your financial situation. Now return to the tax optimization page and review the tax loss harvesting recommendations. This table highlights investments that may be eligible for tax loss harvesting. Each opportunity represents a potential tax loss harvesting opportunity. Tax loss harvesting works by selling an investment that's currently trading below its purchase price, realizing the loss for tax purposes, and replacing it with a similar investment so you can maintain comparable market exposure while potentially reducing future taxes. Now, click on Review Replacement on one of the flagged investments. This opens the Sell for Tax Credit panel. Here you can review the current position, its unrealized loss, and the estimated tax credit available if you realize that loss. Then click Search for similar securities. PortfolioPilot searches across its investment universe to identify replacement investments with similar characteristics and calculates a similarity score for each potential replacement. To help avoid wash sale issues, PortfolioPilot won't recommend a replacement that's more than 97% similar to the investment being sold. Once you've selected a replacement, click Save to Draft to review the proposed changes before making any decisions. Next, move to the Sold Transactions section. This table shows investments that have already been sold, including realized gains or losses and their tax impact. This helps you review the tax impact of completed transactions. Click Customize Table. In this modal, you can choose which columns appear in the Sold Transactions table, such as portfolio name, amount, realized gains and losses, capital gains tax, and tax type. Select the fields you want, then save the view. Press the Edit button next to Apple. This opens the Transactions tab, filtered to all of the Apple transactions. This is where you can review and edit the investment transactions that PortfolioPilot uses for tax estimates, recommendations, and historical performance. PortfolioPilot also automatically reconciles your transaction history. If you add a transaction that doesn't match your current holdings, the platform automatically creates the corresponding transaction needed to keep everything consistent. Use the filters at the top to search by security, trade type, account, or date range. In this example, we're filtering for Apple stock transactions. Each transaction shows the investment, trade type, quantity, amount, and transaction date. Select one of the transactions to edit it. Here you can update the account, security, transaction type, transaction date, or amount, then save your changes. If transaction dates are missing, you can add them manually, upload a statement or CSV file, or use email document import. PortfolioPilot also lets you refresh connected account data with sync data, or manually add new transactions whenever needed. That's how PortfolioPilot helps with continuous tax optimization. You can review your estimated tax rates, identify tax loss harvesting opportunities, get replacement investments, and manage the transaction history used throughout PortfolioPilot's tax analysis. Thank you very much for watching. Check out our other PortfolioPilot walkthrough videos to learn more. Happy investing!